All right, so how do I do this? I'm starting with the forehead, always lifting, slight lift, slight lift, slight lift, slight lift. If you first time, 6 to 10 times maximum in one direction on your forehead. If you advance, you can do 20. Now, if you're a baby crying for the pain, you might gonna want to use numbing cream. Always lift, lift, lift. Now let's jump to the cheek. Super simple. First session shouldn't last more than 5 minutes, like literally. Let's say 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, that's it. If you want to do neck, you can do neck as well. I'm gonna start up this cheek, and I'm gonna go side, especially pressing a little bit here because I have sagness in my cheek here. It looks like I'm rolling back and forth, but I'm not. I'm actually rolling, lifting, and then a little bit on the nose, because for those pores, who don't want to get rid, who doesn't want to get rid of those pores, right? And then you know what I want to do on my lips? From my lips is sensitive. So basically that's it, guys. It's literally less than 5 minutes.